Let's go over half of this assignment together. Number one, the if part of a conditional statement is considered the hypothesis. Look in your notes to see what number 2 is. What is the then part of the conditional statement? Number 3, underline the hypothesis. So we want to underline the hypothesis and circle the conclusion. So the if is the hypothesis. So if today is Tuesday is underlined. Then we want to circle the conclusion. So then we want to circle, then tomorrow is Wednesday. Okay, so let's go down to number 5. Rewrite the conditional statement as an if-then form. Then we want to underline the hypothesis and circle the conclusion. All children must attend school. We can say, if you are a child, then you must attend school. And then we want to underline the hypothesis, which is the if, circle the conclusion, which is then you must attend school. Let's go down to number 7. Only people who are registered are allowed to vote. So we can say, if you are registered, then you are allowed to vote. We will then finally underline the hypothesis and circle the conclusion. And that is our walkthrough.